Okay, good. So let us start why we are here. Okay, data science demo, right? Before going for this data science demo, I would like to know some few informations from about you. Let me open first data science demo. Right. So you people are going to learn about today. My objective is end of the class. You need to understand number one, that is called as about me, what exactly I am doing and how I am going to help you in your career. Second, what is data science? This is the one word we are listening from last 1 year or 1.5 year or 2 years. If we take this word, we are listening through the news or media or our corporates or our employers, our colleagues, so on and so. What exactly it is and what exactly data scientist will do? What exactly data scientist will do? Who is called as data scientist? Who knows mathematics is a data scientist, or who knows statistics is a data scientist? He knows about the machine learning is a data scientist. Who is the data scientist exactly? Next, fourth one, what we are going to learn here. Okay, what way we are going to become as a data scientist? What we will learn here. These are the 4 points what we are going to understand about. Let me explain about me, what exactly I am doing. Then I'll ask about you. If you take about me, yes, I am working as a data scientist, and of course I have the good amount of experience on business intelligence mainly. So I have chance to work on the so many ETL reporting tools, those all things. And I do have chance to work with the data mining, and I do have chance to work with the so many business domains. It may be banking, healthcare, IME, retail. Okay, in my career, I have chance to see so many business domains. So I have business exposure, how the business are running in different categories, different industries. Okay, and trained almost 5-digit number of people. Whatever you joined here today's class, this institute, whatever you are taking, this is 8 years back we started here. 8 years back we started here, and from these 8 years we are giving the trainings on so many technologies. It may be towards the data warehouse or towards the big data or towards the data science, whatever it is. So overall we are in the data. We are in the data. Mostly we didn't went any pure client server kind of things or networking kind of things. This kind of technology we never thought. Okay, now we are always working with the data. That's what the one plus point. We work with the data warehouse. We work with the big data. If you see the courses, whatever we have chance to execute here mainly, these are the course what we are mainly executing it. So Internet of Things, data science, Hadoop, Talent, Power BI, Tableau, OBI, ODI, these all things mostly talks about data, talks about data. And we trained so many people in these areas. Okay, that's brief about me. Then I would like to know about you people also something so that I'll be comfortable. All I want is name. Okay, then your experience on any skill. Experience on any skill. Only these 2 points I wanted. That's it. Only these 2 points I wanted. That's it. Let us start with Amar. You there? First one.
Yeah. Yes. Hello, Sir Ram. Can you hear me?
Yes, I am able to.
Yes. My name is Amir, and my last name is Chaudhary. I've taken OBIE course with you a couple of years back. It was a really good class. I gained a lot of knowledge, and currently I'm working with ODI and Oracle applications. So I'm testing and also writing SQL queries.
Okay, total how many years of experience?
4 years.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, next, Amaresh, MCB.
This is Amresh. I think I have almost 8 years of experience in DWBI, like OBI, Informatica, OBI apps, small, little experience, all the tools, OBI, Informatica, mainly OBIA, and I learned from you only for 3-4 years back, and currently also I am learning.
Oh, excellent, excellent, excellent.
Yeah, yeah.
Excellent to hear from you. Next, Ashok. Ashok, Ashok, are you with me? Ashok, are you with me? If you have any problem with the voice, you can chat also. In the chat, you can type it. Just all I need is what are the skill sets you have. I'm not able to hear you, but I'm able to see your chart. Just tell me your skill set and experience. That is enough. Yes, Ashok, please go with the chart. I'm not able to hear you. As long as you are able to hear me, that is enough. Your questions you can ask in the chart. Okay, I'll come back to you later. Then Gajnan, you there?
Hi, sir. Can you hear me?
Of course, yes.
Yeah, I'm Gajanan. I have learned OBI and ODI from you, sir. I have total 4 years of experience in this field.
Okay. Good. You're working on the OBW and ODI then?
No, I didn't get a chance for ODI. I'm working on OBI at the moment.
Okay, excellent. And at least one skill, that is good.
Yeah.
Next, someone I'm seeing with the name of owner. Who is this owner? Okay. Uma, you there? Uma, you there? Okay, she has experience on the Tableau and Informatica. Okay, but she is telling like no work experience, only learning experience, something. Okay, fine. Next, Vipin.
Yeah, I have good experience in ODI
Okay,
and OBI, SQL, SQL.
okay. How much?
6 years of experience.
Very good. Next, Ras, you there? Ras,
Yes, Ram. Good
yeah,
morning, Ram.
yeah. Good morning.
This is Raj. Currently working on OBIW, having 3 years of experience.
Good. Next, Prasad. Prasad, are you with me? Prasad, are you with me? Okay, yes, some problem maybe. Okay, let it be, no problem. So, if you go and try to see, most of the people are here experienced people. That's what even I am looking for. Okay, any one skill, if they have the experience, then doing the data science is pretty much good actually. Okay, if nothing you knows about the any skill, how the systems are working, so in the data science directly, if you want to learn it, yes, you can learn it, and but still people will be not giving the that much of opening hands. They may not be understand whatever I am talking major areas. If theoretically, if I am writing case one statement and if else statements, those things we'll able to understand it. But people who don't have experience like Uma, you have experience on the Tableau and Informatica, but it's a learning experience. So considerably you need to spend somewhat considerable more time than other people, but you can survive in this one. Okay, data science is new for everyone, even to me. even to me, and even to the people who are really executing the projects. For them also it is new. Don't worry about it. Everyone is learners. It is a new technology. It is a new technology. Whatever I know on the scale of 10, okay, whatever you know on the scale of 10, it will be very less only. Don't worry. So the keep on projects are executing down the line that will teach you lot of things. That will teach you lot of things and will teach me also lot of things. Okay, don't worry about it. As it is a new technology, that's where we have the more scope to grow in that technology. Already existing technology, we will have lot of computation wise or lot of projects wise already executed, and it's maybe saturated position. But something that is new, then surely we'll have a lot of scope to grow in that space, right? That's where we have the data science that will help you to improve your career path, to improve your career path. So let us go and try to see here what is exactly data science means. What exactly data science means. What we are going to do in exactly data science. I think the words whatever we are seeing over here, right? Everyone aware of it. So majorly technical perspective, if I go and try to speak. Technical perspective, if I go and try to speak, I am going to do only 5 activities. Number 1, I may be importing data from different source systems. Nowadays, data is coming from different channels. Your smartphone is producing some data, your websites are producing some data, your sensors are producing some data. Okay, Google is saying like I am going to release the driverless car. That is going to have so many sensors. From where it has to get it? That means different formats of data will be available with you to do some analysis. Those all things we are going to import from different source systems. Vast source systems are going to import it. And data science is something which is going to work on top of the big data. Data science is the one which is going to work on top of the big data. On top of the big data. From that big data, we are going to analyze the things and we are going to visualize it and we are going to give the business decisions actually. Now, so we need to clean the data. We need to clean the data whatever way you want for analysis or visualization purpose. And we need to manipulate the data for visualization purpose. And accordingly, we need to model. Okay, modeling skills we required. Then finally visualize. Okay, come to these 2 parts, right? These all parts whatever available, modeling and visualizing will be better understanding by people who already have experience on the data warehouse and some tools. It may be Informatica or it may be OBI or it may be any BI tool or any ETL tool. If you have the experience, they can understand these terms very clearly. Even this cleaning also you can understand much clear. Okay, overall what I want to say is, as a process wise we go and try to see, data science is a subject of some process. It's not that like it's not a one product. Okay, I cannot pay 10 rupees, I cannot purchase the data science product. Data science is a one process. Data science is a one process. Similarly, data warehousing is a one process. Okay, and to achieve this data science, we need, these are the expertise. If you go and try to see here, we need a computer science resource to get the data science. You need to have computer science background. Okay, that means you should not ask me if I am writing if else statement or case when statement anywhere or select query if I am writing anywhere. You should not ask me what it is. You got my point? You got my point? You should be having bit of computer science background. Second, you should have some kind of business expertise or domain expertise. Okay, meaning let us say if you go to the Amazon.com, you purchased one book, let us say. Immediately it is going to give, if let us say, let us go and try to observe. Let us go and try to observe. I am going to the Amazon.in. As part of my library maintenance, okay, as part of my library maintenance in my training center, I purchased some of the book recently. I can see somewhere, I think, your account, your orders, okay. Now, if you see here, I got chance to purchase some book where I can see my orders. Open orders, orders. Okay, here we are able to see it. This was something what I have chance to purchase it. The moment I purchased it, they are going to give some recommendations and they are going to keep on sending me some mails to me. Okay, hey, this is a book you purchased it and these are the recommended books for you. How they are doing that kind of recommendations? How they are trying to do the recommendations? Okay, that's where data scientist guy is going to work on that one. Okay, so from the data, whatever he is doing, we are going to give future things we are going to give over there, right? We are going to give future things we are going to give over there, right? So we need some kind of business expertise or domain expertise. Okay, if you know the Amazon.com or Amazon.in, it is a retail company, how it is working, if you know that, then only you can go and you can do some kind of data analysis and you can give some kind of recommendations. It's data science is not about only analyzing the historical data. It is about the forecasting, about the what we need to do in future, about the future it is going to talk about. That is the reason we need the business or domain expertise is mandatory for that. Okay. Now, if you go and try to see here, suppose some other company, if you take it, if you take some other company, let us take as, so this is also one of the company in the healthcare sector. So these guys also using this data science to explain their products and what exactly they are doing, they are using it. So what I'm trying to say is we need some kind of business expertise with respect to the retail or with respect to the key, banking sector or healthcare sector. Almost all business areas we do have here data science. Without data science, there is no business. There is no business. And today I need not explain about what are the business areas are available. Everyone might be aware of it. What are the business areas are available in current market. If you go and try to see, these are the industries what we have it. If you know these industries, how they are functioning it, then you will able to suggest something, you will able to analyze something. Are you with me? So as you have the 3 or 4 years of experience, surely I will be give the assurance like you have the one of the experience, one of the domains, at least one of the domains experience you have it. And tomorrow it is demanding other experience, then it is very easy to gain the experience in that skill set, right? So that's what I'm trying to talk about, the domain expertise. You need to have some kind of domain knowledge. Then next one, if you go and try to see here some mathematics background and some statistics background, if you written the mean is the one function, just simply I will write the mean of some variable v, then system will calculate for me what is the mean. It is going to calculate it. It's going to calculate the mean of that, what is going to calculate it. Okay, you need to know what is mean and what is median. Those are things, basic fundamentals you need to know from mathematics or statistics background. Then machine learning. This is also one of the term we are listening in two prospects. Number one is data science. Number two is big data IoT. Big data IoT. So in these all areas, strictly speaking, big data, data science and internet of things, these three are not different things. These three are not different things. If you are working on one skill set, indirectly there is a chances or there is a scope to work in other areas. All three are internally linked together. All three are internally linked together. So end of my classes, I'll give the assurance. Once you know the data science, that day one you can start working with IoT also, Internet of Things also. That much of confidence you are going to get it. In the Internet of Things, the main language we are going to use over there is Python to communicate with the machines. That we are going to cover here. Next one, what are the softwares really we needed? Though I written here two things, Python and R, these two are open source. That means you will not pay any amount to anyone. You can take it and directly download and try to use it. But there are some commercial products also available. SAS. SAS is one of the product which is commercial, that license you have to purchase and you have to implement this data science. As you know, right, everyone nowadays not interested to go with the costly products. SAS is one of the costly with respect to the licensing cost. That is the reason people are showing more interest towards R and Python. Okay, and down the line I can say Python is going to take more space than the R. Are you clear with me? Are you with me? Right. So more about it is data analysis. So the data science is more about it is data analysis. If you go and try to see this diagram now, it contains, I think this diagram might be, you are aware of it, I too taken from directly from the internet only taken, okay, as part of the preparing it. So if you go and try to see, we should have some mathematics background, some business expertise and some computer science knowledge. Then if you know these all things, then we will call it as data science. That subject is called as data science. I think we are good with the data science, but I don't think so data science means only these are the skill sets. We do have some other skill sets. We need to know how to do the visualizations, how to do the data mining, how to do the artificial intelligence. Okay, artificial intelligence. Then we need to know the what about big data, and much more will be added soon. This is a growing area. So whatever today we have it, that may be on the scale of 10, the subject itself is 3 or 4, it came into the existence. Remaining 6, it will be, we are keep on executing the projects, we will learn and people will be giving some kind of automations and all. If you take here, there is a one guy is came, Anaconda Navigator we are seeing. These are one of the company, they are keep on working towards the Python automations. Similarly, some other companies will be keep on come and they will try to work on that one. So we'll get so many tools we'll get in that area. So many tools we are going to get in that area, right? So like what we have here in the big data space, we have the so many ecosystems what we got it, like we got so many things like Pig, Hive, HBase, what else not. So many things are there. That big data, if you type in the Google, you'll get so many ecosystems. Okay, similarly, this is the one of the ecosystem in the data science. This is one of the ecosystem in data science. Down the line, you can expect n number of ecosystems. Fine. Now you understand what is data science exactly. So data science is nothing but it's a combination of what is this? Maths, statistics, business domain expertise, and computer science expertise. If you know these all things, then you are called as data science. But practically, do you think like knowing these all things in one hand is possible? Knowing these all things in one hand is possible? Is it possible to know all these things in one hand? May not be. That is reason data scientist is a not one man job, it is a team job. It is a team job. Like in our data warehouse, how we have the different roles we have in big data, how we have the different roles we have. Similarly, in the data science also, though we are calling it as a data scientist, who is working on the domain side is also data scientist. Who is working on the pure mathematics algorithms is also called as data scientist. Who is working on the computer science background also is also called as data scientist. But this guy will have minimal understanding about this, and this guy will have minimal understanding about this. So any one area you should be strong, and rest of the areas you should have minimal understanding. Okay, now who is exactly data scientist? Is a scientist? Yes, what exactly scientist is doing? Someone who find new discoveries. Okay, you purchased one laptop, okay, or you purchased something else, or you purchased you found something else like mobile or anything, something you discover, that is called as scientist, right? Let us go for next one. We have here make hypothesis, and next one we have here investigate that hypothesis. These are the different things what we have it, right, to call you as a scientist. Now who is data scientist then? Do same job whatever we are doing above with data. We are not really going for the product. Sorry. Now if you go and try to observe here, do the same job, we are going to do the same job with respect to the data. Now if you go and try to observe, look for meaning, knowledge in the data. This is what exactly we are going to do with as part of data scientist. Answering questions and relay on the data. So day beginning to day ending, we are going to work with data only. We are going to work with day beginning to day ending. We are going to work with only data. Am I clear? Yes. As part of this data scientist, if you go and try to see, I am saying data scientist is a sexy job of 21st century. Anyone has any questions on this line? Yes, anyone has any questions on this line? Right. How you can believe this one? Because I am telling you, you should not believe it, right? Okay, then what is the justification is, if you go and try to see, this is one of the review which is given by Harvard Business Review. If you go and try to observe here, here you can see full story about that. Here we have the 20 pages of 30 pages of the story is available about this only one word. Just try to see this one in our offline so that you come to understand what exactly data scientist is doing here. Are you getting my point? So from this you can say now, this is the job. Down the line you have the good scope to grow in that area. And as it is in the beginning, so you know basic things, people are okay with that one, and keep on, we can learn the things down the line. Am I clear? So that's what I am trying to say. Data scientist is the sexiest job of 21st century, and for that, this is the blog. You can go and you can refer, and you can see what exactly that the content, whatever we have in that particular public blog, what exactly they are trying to tell. Right? Now, what we will learn mainly as part of this course, what we are going to learn it. So data science, whatever rules available, all the rules we are going to explain here. All the rules, end-to-end domain expertise or technical expertise or mathematics or statistics, whatever it come across, whatever I know, those all things I'll try to deliver my best. Now, second, yes, as a computer science background, we need to know anyone skill set of the coding. That coding things also we are going to explain it. But though I am saying it is a coding, sir, it is not tough as Java or .NET or those all things. This Python, these all things are very easy tools. Very easy tools. Everyone can learn it. Even someone who don't know the C language also can come and can learn the Python. But if you know at least any one language, C or C++, Java or .NET, then for them it is bit easier to learn it. But remaining people also can happily can learn this one. It's not that tough. It's not that tough. Okay. Also we are going with the R. Also we are going with the R. R also one of the language. Even if you take the R, the most of the projects are executing the data science. This current market, if you take it in R only, it is executing it. However, down the line we can expect more market will be turned towards Python than R. That's what the research, that's what I am seeing in my surroundings. At present R is doing good, but down the line Python will do great than R. Right? Anyhow, I'm going to explain those two things. And to get some kind of visualizations and reporting knowledge, those things I am providing using Tableau, as well as I am also providing here Power BI. But majorly our course will go with these are the two things majorly our course will go with: data science with Python, data science with R. Whenever you are providing a resume, you need not go with the two things. You can put very clearly in your resume, I am an expert data science with Python. That's it. R is not at all required for you. You can put some other people, I am expert data science with R. That is enough. Both things not required for you. Any one thing, if you are good, it is enough to survive in the market. Either R or Python. But I am going to deliver here both the things I am going to deliver to you. And it's not like R programming or Python programming I am not going to deliver here. Okay. I am going to deliver R with respect to the data science, Python with respect to data science. However, this R Python will go from the zero only. Don't worry. From the basics to 100% I am going to teach over there. If you don't know anything R, if you don't know anything Python, even you are listening first time these words, need not worry about that. I am going to start from the zero. Are you with me? Right. Now, this is what I want to explain about it. If you go and try to see in my mission, so we are going to install all the softwares in our own missions, like R have I installed here, Python have I installed here, and some kind of framework manager to automate these all things we installed here, Anaconda. Okay, so these are the three softwares what we are going to install in our missions to do this practice. The lab setup we are going to do in our missions. For example, if you want to do some simple thing in R, let us say I am going for R, just I clicked on here. You want to know something very simple, 3 plus 4, just enter, we are getting the 7. And if you want to define some kind of vector, you want to define it. Okay, some kind of vector you want to define it. You can go and you can define very easily. We can define by using, let us say like this, you can go and you can define it. So okay, now if you go and try to see here, what you defined, if you want to know at any point of time, you can go and you can see that one, what it is. So very simple language it is. It is not that much of painful. You can go and you can learn very easily. This is how R will looks like. And to automate this R coding also, there is a R Studio is the one component we have it that will guide you much better, and we can go and do here, we can go and you can do here scripting or whatever it is, very easily we can do it. It may be whatever scripting it is. Right. So I'm going to explain you basic or as well as advanced or everything. Okay, as part of that one, we are going to use RStudio. It is a IDE like Eclipse. You are aware of it, right? In the Java, those all things people used to use Eclipse. Similarly, RStudio is available to write the coding. And in the same line, if you go and try to observe here, we do have here Python. This is what the Python. Okay, and the Python also you can go and you can do very simply. We can do the work. Very simply, you can go and you can do the work. Okay, we are going to do very simply here also work. Right, this is what the Python screen, how it looks like, and how we are going to work on that one. And to automate this procedure, we do have here some kind of third-party tools, or we have the ecosystems are available. That ecosystems will guide you how to automate these all things. Yes. Now this is the time to go with the questions. If you have any questions are available, yes, I would like to answer those questions. Okay, it's the time for questions. Yes, please go with the questions, sir. Any questions, please? Yes.
Hi, sir. This is Venkat.
Yeah.
Are we like
Your voice is breaking.
Tableau as well as the Power BI here?
Yes, Tableau as well as Power
I'm covering the Tableau as well as the Power BI here.
Yes, I am going to teach all the 4 skill sets whatever I defined here. Whatever I defined here, I am going to teach you. Very good question, Ashok. How much salary package can I expect? Okay, that's good. That's good question. That you can type in the Google. Data science salary in USA. See this some kind of websites, whatever we have it. Okay, now we can see here. This is even, it's not that much updated one. Okay, they are giving here 130K. They are giving it. The average number itself is we have 113K per annum, sir. Average number, that is. People with 1 year of experience, 2 years of experience, 3 years of experience. If you take that average itself, we have the 113K per annum is the average. Am I clear? 113K. Next, any other questions?
And how much is the duration for this course?
Yeah, duration for this course is, we are going to explain 50 days, 50 classes, 50 hours, 50.
Okay. And how much is the coding skill is
50
required?
hours is purely live training. Apart from purely live training, we are also going to deliver some other things as a self-learning pattern. As part of the self-learning pattern, some of things we are going to deliver it. Means instead of explaining me in the directly class those things, I will deliver the video tutorials for that, and I will ask you people to do those things some cases. Okay, let us say if we take the videos already, whatever we explained, that video tutorials are available. Those things we are going to deliver to you, and you may ask it to listen those things. So live classes, what I am going to deliver is 50 hours of the training, and self-learning also is equivalent, may be available 50 hours nearly. So total 100 hours will be there. That's how we are going to deliver the things in short span. More we are going to deliver it. And I am not going to give any single word of the notes also. Most of the notes is already available. We prepared and we are going to deliver that one. So this 50 hours keep on, I am going to talk about it. Okay.
So, which is easy, R or Python?
Instead of saying which is easy, which is good in the market down the line, that you are analyzing, that is good, I think. If it is something tough also
Okay.
that we are learning, it will be good for us.
Okay. So, which is having the more demand in the market?
That's good. That's good answer. That is good. I guess for my surroundings, what I am seeing, Python is a good down the line. Okay, but
So,
still in the
we
current
must be having
market,
I think we must be having the good knowledge of Python then, right?
those
Or
are
it's not
knowledge I am
required.
going to provide to you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, Python as well as R, both I am going to provide it. If you know both, that is excellent. Okay, so that we have the two things like data science with R, data science with Python. These are the two styles of the projects majorly which are executing. Both the projects are eligible and you can apply for the both the things, right? Next, no questions
Ram,
before.
you will be the trainer or someone else?
Sorry. Sorry, come again.
No, who will be the trainer? You or someone else?
I'm the trainer. End to end, I'm
Okay.
going to teach it.
Okay.
All the skill sets, whatever I defined, all the things I'm going to teach it. Anything else? Anything else?
Question, so how many hours is going to be in R and Python as compared to Tableau and Power BI?
Most of the things will go with R and Python. Okay, Tableau and Power BI, most of the things will go with the self-learning pattern. The free-defined recording videos I'm going to deliver it. I'll guide you how to do forward. Okay, most of the things will be concentrating on the Python and R. The 50 hours, I can say 45 hours we may be spending on the Python and R, something like that. But end of the day, I will make sure you are up to marks, sir. Don't worry. Okay. Though I am giving some kind of self-learning pattern also, I will be having the checks. Okay. Checkpoints are available. How people are doing and all. I have the list of the things you really have chance to listen. Those things are not have the track. I have proper LMS is available. The LMS I am going to maintain.
So this is the first batch you are going to start, Ram?
No, it is a third batch.
Okay. And you are going to cover Tableau also? Tableau we need to do the self-study.
That's right. That's what I
That
am
course.
showing it. Yes, Tableau and Power BI also will be delivered.
Okay.
Hello, Ram. Will this follow the same format? Like in the past, you have given us like 200 pages worth of a lab and notes. So will this follow the same format?
Same format, dot to dot, same format.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
And do we have virtual machine also for this?
It's not required virtual machine. These all softwares are very simple softwares. Okay, all is in MBs, like 300 MB, 400 MB softwares. That is you can directly install in our machine. Not required any virtual machines and all. You want, you can go and you can check it now itself. Suppose you want the R software, you want it. Okay, R software download. Okay, download. Then this R projects is one area where you can go and you can download it. Okay, and you can see here download R for 62 bits. It has how much of size? 4.5 MB of the size, right? 4.5 MB of the size. For that, do you really think like we need to prepare the VMs? And installation also will not take much time. 2 or 3 minutes only it's going to take it. Even that installation is also I am going to cover as part of our regular course. I am going to cover it. If we go and try to see,
So,
if you take your installation part, so this is what the installation, how to do those things also I am going to explain it. Okay, so I don't think so you need the virtual machines for this. As as big software may provide the virtual machines and all, but it is small softwares, so it's not required.
so when the
It's
class will
newly come
start?
in the market, right?
Sorry?
It's newly come up in the market.
Of course, of course, of course.
Ron, when the class will start?
Yeah, tomorrow onwards this class will be continually happens. Okay, today is the
Same
demo
time?
class. Tomorrow onwards it is regular classes. Okay, you have to register for the class and you have to come from tomorrow onwards.
At the same time?
Yeah, same time. That's right.
Same meeting?
Same meeting. That's right. Same time, same meeting, same faculty. Yes. Any other questions? But only one thing what I am expecting from you is you have the good amount of time on daily basis. Though I am explaining 1 hour, I may ask you to read so many things as part of my course. So those all things you need to read and you have to come back with me. Suppose if you see here, I explained one concept and at the end I given more information, refer this some website I given. Okay. Similarly, for each concept, I will be giving here some kind of blogs and all. You have to go and you have to refer those things and you have to learn those things. Are you getting my point? I'm expecting more hands-on from your side.
Yes.
Right. I think I'm pretty good for the demo. If you have any further questions, we'll go with that. Otherwise, please coordinate with the HR and complete the registration process. Tomorrow onwards, we'll continue with the regular classes. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. And this is my number. If you have any questions at any point of time, of course, you can reach me technically if you have any questions. This is my number. And people who are calling from the USA, they need to add the 91 in front of the number. 91 is the India code. This is also available in the WhatsApp. If you want to ping in the WhatsApp, you can ping in the WhatsApp. And I will be the primary contact for our learning path. At any point of time, if you stuck anywhere, you can ping me in the WhatsApp. I will guide you what exactly happening. I am the primary contact for all aspects, installations, or sharing the material or anything. Any questions?
Yeah, one more question.
Yeah.
I have seen in some job site that they are asking for Hadoop also. So
Of
you
course,
teach the
they
basic
may
of
ask
Hadoop?
it. They may ask it because our things, whatever we have it right, it is going to work on top of the big data. It's going to work on it. That's what even I given here. That is also one of the skill set. But end of the day, see, we are not the Supermans, right? To learn all the things. Yes or no? We are not Supermans to do all the things. That's what I said. Data scientist is not one person. It's a team of. A team is delivering the data science role. Are you getting my point? But outside the world may not be knowing that one. That is the reason they are thinking like data scientist is a only one person job. No, data scientists are so many areas they are available. Okay, who is working on only on the visualization part also called as data scientist. Who is working on only on Python also called as data scientist. We as expert on the domain side also called as data scientist. Did you get chance to see the nowadays business schools? Nowadays business schools they introduce. Let us go and try to see some of the websites. Otherwise, let us go for we have one university here. Recently I got chance to visit there, and they have academics where I can see admissions management. Okay, then go for undergraduate courses or postgraduate courses. Then Geetham Institute of Management, Vishakhapatnam campus. Okay, and eligibilities, durations, admission procedure, first year, second year. I saw the course different parts actually. What I'm trying to say is there is a business degree is came into the picture with the data analysis, sir. That's what I want to tell. There is a business degree which is came with the data analysis. So that much of famous. These all things will be down the line. So we have the good scope to grow in this area. Okay. Any other questions?
And one more thing, that can you show me that what are the documents you are going to share with us?
Only one document I am going to share with you, that is called as Data Science Classroom Notes. That is majorly I am going to share with you, which is prepared by me, that is. Okay, remaining all things which is already publicly available, the blogs I am going to share it.
Okay.
Okay, only one document with my own hand I prepared, that is called as Data Science Classroom Notes. This is the only one I am going to share to you. Okay.
Are you going to share the videos of this classroom?
Of course, every day I will be recorded for your batch itself. Okay, and that same recording will be delivered.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Any further questions? If no, then we stop today and we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.